Hello everyone and welcome to week 4. So there's something important this week I want to draw your attention to. We will be taking the first timed essay exam by Friday night. So that's an important milestone in this class because you need to pass one of the timed exams to be able to pass the class. So your first shot will be due this Friday. So I'll walk you through this week. The first half of the week will be focused on the review letter, and then we'll change gears on Wednesday and start preparing for the timed exam. So we're kind of working on one thing and then putting the review letter aside for a few lessons, and then we'll come back to it. So first of all, Monday night, you'll learn about some mental health resources. You'll also revise your logo section based on the feedback you gave to yourself and the feedback from your peers. You'll submit that revision, and then you will give feedback to your peers and yourself on the ethos section. So here's just an instruction page, and then you'll actually submit the feedback here. You're also going to submit your pathos section for Monday night. You won't submit that to your peers for a workshop, but you'll actually just submit it. And then for Wednesday night, you will revise your ethos section and submit that. You will also revise and submit your introduction. And then after that, we're going to take a break from the review letter and we'll learn how to prepare for the timed essay exam. So you've got a video and some instructions here that will prepare you for the timed exam that you will take by Friday night. And there's a reading here. You'll also want to complete this reading and be very familiar with it before you take the exam on Friday night. So the timed exam is basically an online quiz. So when you open it up, you'll want to have it completed, if at all possible, by 11:59 on Friday night. So you'll want to start it about 2 hours before at minimum. Once you open the exam, you won't be able to exit and come back because it is a timed essay. So you'll want to set aside time when you can take it, when you're going to have a full 2 hours uninterrupted. And so just make sure you prioritize that. And if Friday night is a bad day for you to take an exam, reach out to me and we can maybe work something else out. Or you can take it earlier in the week so that you're not stressed when you take it on Friday. So for Friday, all that you have to do is the timed exam and a work cited for that timed exam, and you'll submit those assignments. The work cited will not need to be submitted within the time limit. You can do that after you finish the rest of the exam and submit it. Then for Saturday night, we'll go back to the review letter, finish your review letter full draft, and submit that draft for your peers to workshop. So we're working on the review letter at the beginning and end of the week, and kind of in the middle we're working on the timed exam. So kind of juggling those two priorities. As you prepare for the timed exam and everything else, if you have questions, feel free to post them on this board, or message me on Canvas, or email me, and I'd be happy to clarify anything that I can. So that's everything for this week. Hope it goes well.